Hey guys, today we're going to check friend requests sent on Facebook, and all you have to do is to launch your Facebook application. Yeah, from here you're going to tap on this icon which shows for friends. From here you are going to tap on your friends here, and you can see there those are your friends. You can also decide to, as you can see, I do have a friend request. So I'm going to tap on confirm, and from there, I'm going to see the option to see friend requests, and your friends are going to tap on friend requests. As you can see, I do not have, but in the case that people have sent to me any friend request, I want to see them here. Can even tap on the three dots to even see the view sent requests. And these are the ones that I have sent, and as you can see, they have already accepted my friend request. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.